Do you need building repair contractors in Australia? Tradecom Group offers top-quality building remediation services. Their experienced professionals are dedicated to providing reliable and efficient solutions to any building repair needs you may have. They offer a comprehensive range of building remediation services. They specialize in exterior facade upgrades, protective coating application, heritage upgrades, concrete spalling and remediation, waterproofing, structural rectification, strengthening the structure, flashing and lintel replacements, window, door and balustrade replacements, etc. Their trained professionals are committed to delivering high-quality workmanship at competitive prices. With Tradecom Group, you can rest assured that your building repair needs are in good hands. Contact them today at 1300301888 and schedule your free consultation. Visit tradecomgroup.com to learn more about their service.